Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will go through the process of replacing the LCD cover on the Lenovo Vostro 3510. Before starting, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a soft cloth for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery for added safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 4 screws located on the bottom. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, carefully disconnect the LCD cable attached to the motherboard. This connection is usually secured with a small clip, so gently lift the clip to release the cable. Be cautious not to damage the cable or the connector during this process. Next, you will need to remove the existing LCD cover. To do this, gently pry around the edges of the cover using your plastic prying tool. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the cover. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that may still be holding it in place. After successfully removing the old cover, take a moment to clean the inside of the laptop screen area with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and cleaning this area will help prevent any issues with the new cover. Now, align the new LCD cover with the hinges and carefully press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly and that there are no gaps. Once in position, reattach the LCD cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is secure. At this point, it's essential to ensure everything is connected properly before reassembling the laptop. If you're unsure about the connections or if you'd prefer to have a professional handle the repair, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, replace the back panel of the laptop by aligning it with the casing. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws we removed earlier. Make sure they are tight but avoid over-tightening to prevent any damage. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in the laptop, and power it on. Check to see if the display is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Lenovo Vostro 3510. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any step, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution for your tech needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.